Greetings once again, ladies and gentlemen. My name is KARL and I'm based in Mangalore City, India. I have a little application here which I call keystrokes. The objective is to monitor and log all the keystrokes made by an individual who has the software installed on his system. To start off, we shall take a trial case. Let's say we launch an application, a Microsoft Word document maybe, where we shall input some data. Let's type that. That's one case. We could launch one more application, maybe a web browser. We type in something in a URL field, maybe something.com. We made a mistake. We could open a new tab, type in another thing with the correction. Doesn't cost us much. There we get it. We could try another application. Let's say a dictionary. There I type in something on my search field. Now, what will the application do? It actually logs all that data that has been typed in, but that information is encrypted when it is logged. So we need a way of decrypting it. The program handles that for you. So we can see the location where that file is saved. Move to that location. If you open that file, we see it's an encrypted file. So you can't just read the information like that. You definitely need to decrypt it. But the application handles the point of decrypting. But you will need to provide a user ID and a password before you can carry out many tasks with the data that has been logged on the system. Say we intend to delete the log or to change our user ID and password, we need to provide that email user ID and password. Assume we're providing the right ID and the password. Let's try to decrypt now. Great. See, we are notified. We're able to decrypt this file and it has been saved in our program location. If you open the default location, now we find an extra file. If you open that file, I guess it's in a language that most of us can read now. So we can cross-check, compare both the decrypted and the encrypted file. See, timestamps are same. Zoom that. See all what we were typing on our Microsoft Word document, now Internet Explorer browser, and on our web dictionary. Something really interesting also. We compare that word dictionary, check our browsers, see www.something.com. We also have it there. Our application had recorded those keystrokes plus the correction we made. Also recorded those keystrokes. Works behind the scenes. We check our Microsoft Word document as well. See the entire paragraphs have been included. The application works behind the scenes, runs as a service. No user interaction is needed. Compare that data, have the same thing. Now we can do more things with the application, like if we want to delete the log, in case we don't want to, or we could change our user ID and password. We want to make this application quite private. We could change our email ID in case we forgot our password. We don't want to at the moment, as well as we could change the default location where the encrypted log file is saved, same as the decrypted log file that pulls up our file browser. Here we don't want to change, we leave the default. So there are many other options. Without the user ID and password set, we cannot make those changes even to the email ID or the file browser, the location where we want our encrypted file to be saved. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Last thing, we just need to close our application. Thank you for watching, and I hope you stay tuned on my channel and subscribe to more of my videos.